So what does contempt mean? Contempt refers to a feeling of disrespect or disdain towards someone or something. It can also describe a behavior or attitude that shows a lack of regard for others. The term is often used in both emotional and legal contexts, and it describes a strong sense of disapproval or disrespect. Example, she looked at the messy room with contempt, refusing to clean it. Let's look at a few more examples to help you understand how contempt is used. His contempt for authority made him a rebellious teenager. The defendant was charged with contempt of court for disrespecting the judge. She felt a deep sense of contempt for the way they treated her friend. As you can see, contempt is often used to describe an attitude of disrespect, disdain, or contemptuous behavior towards something or someone. You might be wondering, when should I use the word contempt? You can use contempt when describing situations where someone is showing disrespect, disapproval, or hatred for something or someone. It's a strong word and is often used to describe negative feelings toward people, ideas, or institutions. For example, contempt can be used in legal situations, like when someone is disrespecting the authority of the court. It can also refer to personal emotions of disdain toward individuals or actions. Example, the teacher felt contempt for the student who constantly disrupted the class. Quick recap. Contempt means disrespect or disdain towards someone or something. It can refer to both feelings of disrespect and actions that show a lack of regard. You use contempt when talking about situations of disrespect or negative attitudes toward people or authority. Now you know how to use contempt in various contexts.